Oba means unapologetic truth to me. She represents loyalty, dedication, and the strength to keep moving through fear, trauma, pain, and disappointment. What has stood out to me is how easily her entire identity can become reduced to one story. Her relationship with Ṣàngó, the choices she made, and the pain that followed. But through my studies, I came to understand Oba as much more than someone's wife. Her royalty was not given to her by Ṣàngó. She was already royalty. She was raised and prepared to carry herself as a queen. And there is a lesson in that for all of us. You can give everything you know how to give to a relationship. You can be loyal, dedicated, loving, supportive, and try to become the best partner you can possibly be. And that still cannot guarantee that another person will become who you want them to be, or that the relationship will last. Sometimes the lesson is not to give more of yourself. Sometimes the lesson is to remember yourself. Honor yourself, honor your Ori, honor the breath of life Olodumare gave you to experience in this world. Do not change who you are just to fit someone else. And do not try to reshape another person into who you need them to be. Accept the truth of who you are. Accept people for who they show themselves to be. And find the people who truly align with you. That is also part of why creating Oba Story Part 1 became so important to me. When I searched for music about Oba, I struggled to find many songs that I could truly resonate with, songs that honored the fullness of who I was coming to understand her to be. So I decided to create my own, not only to honor Oba, but to teach and celebrate and help open the door to more of her story. Because one painful chapter should never be allowed to define an entire life. And one story can never define a queen. Oba Story Part 1, coming August 21st. Manifest your destiny. Move mountains. True Gong.